You know, Val, usually when you and I are together, I'm always on the west side of the state.
Yes, you are a good place to be.
It is. But now you're here in Spokane. Did you know that there's like over 30 breweries here in Spokane?
Over 30 in Spokane?
Yes.
No, I did not know that.
It's become kind of a big deal. And so I thought it might be fun to take you to a few places and we can try out some brews. What do you think?
All right, let's get to sipping.
All right, because it's hot out here.
Our first stop of the day was Black Label Brewing, where owner Dan Dvorak presented quite the variety for us to try.
Do I have to choose?
Sure, why not?
What's wrong with and?
You can try all four.
Okay.
So that's our Tropical Thunder IPA.
Okay, Tropical Thunder. Ooh, yes, the hops are there.
Yeah, I'm standing in the middle. Yeah, come on, Moxie, right now.
Yeah. Oh, now this one is just so pretty.
So that's our Burgundy Scotch. It's a Scotch ale.
Okay.
And then we finish it off with dark brown sugar, so you get some of that molasses coming through.
Yeah.
Wow, that is very
You like that one?
I do like it. I think it's because it's very unexpected.
I mean, it's smooth, which is what I like.
Yeah, which could be dangerous. This is only our first stop, Val.
All right, so this is our Maibach. So it's a German amber lager.
Oh, that one's mine.
Really? Okay, so Val's excited about this one. That's nice. That's nice.
Well, this was a great place to stop on my little visit over the mountains. Yeah.
Next stop, Four Eyed Guys Brewing, with unique flavors I've never seen before.
Look at that. Apple pie blonde.
Coffee lavender cremali?
Cream ale. This is only your second stop.
Co-owner Alex Rausch brought out the first beer, an apple pie blonde.
That is really lovely.
Wow, did you see that? Wow, that is so unique.
Isn't that great?
It's so different. I mean, you really do get that apple pie vibe.
This one's gonna be the cucumber cream ale.
It smells like a spa.
I think you nailed it when you said it smells and tastes like a spa. It really has that cucumbery, fresh, clean vibe to it.
Out with champagne in the spas. This is what they need to be serving. Oh my gosh, I would never leave this shop in Spokane. It's a good thing I don't live here.
We're gonna get a to-go cup for this?
Yeah.
And finally, Whistle Punk Brewing, where owner Matt Hansen started us off with their Lovely Day Hoppy Lager.
So this beer is brewed with 100% Pilsner from Cascadia malt, locally grown grain, and it's hopped with hops grown in Yakima.
It is refreshing.
And it's refreshing,
I
crisp,
really like
very
this.
floral. So this next beer is our Pink Party Pilsner. A lot fruitier,
I like that.
Quite a bit more bitterness.
You smell those hops and you go, uh-oh, I'm in trouble. But
Yeah.
then you drink it and it's not as powerful as you might think.
But it's more of the lemon citrus.
There's a ton of citrus.
aromatics
Yeah, that's great.
that I'm picking up.
Yeah, we've only been to 3 places, but there's so many breweries here in Spokane, and it really seems like you guys have created just such a close-knit community.
It's an industry that is kind of the more the merrier. We all support each other. It's very, very, very collaborative. Just last week, we actually released a beer that was a collaboration between like 30 breweries in the area for Spokane Craft Beer
Love
Week.
that.
It's really neat the way it happens in Spokane. It's different than other places I've been.
I love it.
Yeah.
Here's to pink.
Yeah.
so much.
Cheers, that's right. Cheers.